today's video, I'm going to show you mine, if you show me yours. This is the entire contents of a Dark Imperium box set for Nurgle. 20 Pox Walker conversions ready to go. 7 old school Forge World Plague Marines. All of the Geller Pox infected, plus an old school metal Typhus. That's 96 more models. Okay, here's where the shame adds up. Shadowspear box set, Harkon, Dark Apostle, Lord Discordant, 10 Chaos Space Marines, 10 Havocs, 5 Terminators, and the man himself, Abaddon the Despoiler. Wait, there's more undivided goodness. There's a Terminator cadre with Lord, an extra Lord, 10 Raptors, Chaos Hellbrute, and 6 Bikes. But wait, there's even more after that. Okay, we start with a Soul Grinder, a Forge Fiend, 10 Chaos Space Marines, 7 Chaos Chosen, some Cultists, and 3 old school metal Obliterators. And on this tray we have 71 different models, Terminator, Marines, 10 Raptors, 3 old school Berserkers. Those are the old school Raptors in my hand. Each one of those bags has an individual Chaos Space Marine in it. Now this was probably the coolest part of the whole entire project for me. I found these and I didn't even remember buying these back in the late 90s. These are armor cast, original pieces, all resin, corn. I think one is called the Blood Cauldron and the other one was a Cannon of Corn, I believe. I'll have to look it up on the internet and I'll get you guys the proper name. But these were just such cool things for me, and I got them at a clearance sale when a local store was going out of business. I just loved them and forgot I even had them. They really deserve a good paint job, so maybe I'll do something with them real soon. I just think they were so cool, and I was happy to find them and take a look at them again. And now it's 20 years later, I'll have to maybe get around to painting them, but you know, maybe not either. Always a non-stop Chaos Lord. My first army were Blood Angels. So I learned 40k with them. And 40 Space Marines in that Tupperware container, 10 in those box, 5 Devastators, 11 Dark Angels, 5 Grey Knights, 10 Imperial Guard, one of those Grey Knight Walkers, 3 Centurions, those are some Cadians at attention, a Speeder, 5 metal characters, 15 Scouts, 12 metal Terminators, 14 metal Marines, and then 6 more Guardsmen at Parade Rest. 3 Orc Killer Cans, probably use it for a Dreadnought. And oh yeah, totally forgot I had this. A Necron Army, completely unpainted for the most part, except for a little bit of base metal on a few figures. Just towards the end of 3rd edition, I bought the Dow when they first came out and had a lot of fun with them before the Fire Tide Walls and the Super Cheese. They were still a pretty awesome army. Collected a bunch of them and got to about 2,000 painted points and stopped, and I had a bunch left over. Okay, so Khorne was my second army and still my first love. I've got a mess full of these. I got the Gore Chosen game still new in the box. I haven't even taken it out since it was released. That might be an interesting video in the future. On top of the Gore Chosen, Chaos Knights, a Bud Cannon, the whole entire half of a box set of Khorne, more Knights, 32 Marauders, and then some. I might have a Chaos Addiction. Feculent Gnarlmaw, Putrid Blightbringers, a Demon Prince I'll probably convert into a Demon Prince of Nurgle, a War Shrine I forgot about I had. That's a... Oh, and here are some Spirit Hosts, a bunch of Age of Sigmar, Inquisitors, and Castigators. That's just a whole mess load of figures. Flagellants I was probably going to use as Chaos Cultists. Not even sure what that bag is I'm dangling in front of you, but there's just a crap ton of stuff here. And then for the grand finale here, we forgot I bought a discount army. These two trays equal roughly 139 unpainted Beastmen models that are super cool, but probably will never get to ever, and I need to come to terms with that. And just for laughs and giggles, a single squig hopper goblin thing, I have no idea where that came from. And here's a high-speed version of the whole entire collection for your viewing pleasure. So what are some things I learned from this experiment? 1. Don't be afraid to let go. I have over 1,000 unpainted models, and with kids and a career and a wife at home, there's just no way I'm getting through that, even when we're in lockdown. So I think I'm going to sell some of this, upgrade the equipment around here at the studio so I can make better videos for you. Another lesson is to make a plan. I've laid out several projects over the next couple of months of videos that I'm going to share with you. I'm going to give you a monthly update, and together let's inspire each other to continue working on our piles of shame until they're erased. I promise not to buy any more miniatures. Don't know if I'm going to be able to keep that promise. There are so many cool Chaos models I want to get, but I have so much to paint that I'm going to do my best to honor that promise.